In this video, I'm going to show you how to change email password in Thunderbird. Now to do this, first you want to open Thunderbird, you want to go to the top right and click on these three lines to open the menu, and then you want to click on Settings. Inside Settings, you want to go to Privacy and Security over here in the left panel, and then you want to scroll down to Passwords and click on Saved Passwords. Here to actually change the email password, you want to first show them, so click on Show Passwords and then click on Yes. As you can see, I've set some simple passwords for this example over here, and then where you want to change the email password, you want to select the provider and the username, and then you want to simply either right click and click on Edit Password, or you can just double click inside any of these passwords and you can change it to whatever you want it to be. Then you can click out and then hide the passwords, and that's all you have to do to basically change your email password in Thunderbird. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.